Are you considering entering the world of dropshipping, but feeling overwhelmed by where to begin? Watch this comprehensive guide as I walk you through each step, equipping you to kickstart your dropshipping journey today. Dropshipping, in essence, is a fulfillment model where you sell a product to a customer, then source it directly from a supplier, typically in China. This supplier then ships the product directly to the customer, all without you handling the inventory. It's an ingenious concept, isn't it? To succeed, follow these steps. Launch your Shopify store. Begin by establishing your online presence with a Shopify store. This platform is user-friendly and tailored for e-commerce beginners. Identify high-demand products with PPSPY and Ali Hunter. Utilize tools like PPSPY Shopify Spy and Dropship Tool, and Ali Hunter AliExpress Product Tracker, to pinpoint products currently in high demand. These tools save time and help you focus on market-ready items. Reliable supplier via Zendrop. Connect with trustworthy suppliers through platforms like Zendrop. They streamline the process and ensure quality products reach your customers. Craft a compelling product page. Creating an engaging product page is paramount. It's where potential customers learn about your offering, so make it count. Drive traffic with Facebook and TikTok ads. Leverage the power of social media by running targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and TikTok. This is the key to driving traffic and making those crucial sales. Congratulations, you're now officially a dropshipper. Remember, success in dropshipping is built on sound strategies and consistent effort. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a successful e-commerce business. Let's do this.